Hey everyone, how's it going today? Hope you're having a fantastic day as always. Today we're going to be starting to work on the the dog just howled. We're going to be working on the 270 here. I just picked up a new tire for it right there, and we're going to put some hand guards on it, and also I'm going to put a no, what is it called again? An adjustable accelerator jet on the for the carburetor on this thing. I think my theory for it is when the big bore kit was put on it, the pump jet wasn't changed, and so it's actually dumping too much fuel into the motor when you whip the throttle. So it has a little bit of a lag when you do that, so I'm assuming it's overfueling a little bit. So we'll mess around with it, see what we can do with it. So yeah, that'll be, let's get started. All right, so we got it all done here. Whoever put these bars on this bike cut the ends shorter, so it made it very difficult to get the insert clamps into the ends of the bars because they're hitting something and sticking out like a quarter of an inch. So I fought that forever trying to get them to actually go all the way in, but I managed to get it to work. So that is all good. I got hand guards. So also Tanner got the tire on here. It's looking very nice. It's got all the tread. He did find though when he was doing it, there are some cracks in the rim. There's one there. There's another one. There's two on one side and one on the other. I think it's maybe this side. Yeah, there's one there. And then there's another one. I don't know where the other one is. It's somewhere on here anyway. So I'm either going to grab, like, see if I can find another used rim somewhere that I can pick up, or I've kind of wanted to build a set for quite a while, so that might be a good excuse to try that. But anyway, either way, that probably won't be till over the winter sometime. Yeah, so hopefully it won't blow apart on me or anything while I'm riding, but excuse me, it would make a good video if it did. So anyway, technically, well, right now I'm still waiting on the fuel jet. It's in the mail on the way here, so I have to wait a couple days, but for you guys it'll be in just a second. And we're back. So I got the parts in right here, and we'll be putting them in now, I guess. So let's get started. All right, so I put the bike all back together again and started it up, and it wasn't running any better than it was before. So I was all frustrated with it. Nothing was making a difference, so I went inside, had some lunch. Just before I was about to come back out and start messing with it again, I remembered that I had forgotten when you take the little jet out for the accelerator pump, you're supposed to put a little plug in that they supply with it to plug the hole, and I'd forgotten to put that plug in. So took it back apart again, put the plug in, and now it runs better than it ever has. So that's awesome. So hopefully we'll be good to rock and roll for this fall. And yeah, so that'll be it for this video. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.